Feeling overwhelmed by a growing pile of support tickets? Unsure which ones demand immediate action and which can safely wait? At Accrevent Solutions, we recently took on this challenge. As ticket volume grows, manual triaging becomes noisy, inconsistent, and slow. So we built an end-to-end machine learning pipeline that cuts through the noise, automatically organizing, prioritizing, and scoring tickets so support teams can focus on what truly matters. Let's take a look at how this pipeline works. The pipeline starts with the user uploading 4 files: a train file, a test file, a features, and a target file. Once all 4 files have been uploaded, we can then switch over to the pipeline and schedule it to run. Now let's understand how the pipeline runs. Once the pipeline starts executing, it first automatically identifies the training and test data, standardizes the features, and stores everything cleanly within the Lakehouse. Then it makes sense of the data automatically. Numerical, categorical, and text columns are separated. Then they are cleaned, prepared, and fully tracked, with the metadata being stored for downstream consumption. After that, it figures out the task type, whether it is a classification type dataset or a regression type dataset. It identifies this based on the target column specified during the file upload step. Then, once it has decided what the task type is, it will then train multiple models, evaluate them, and pick the best performer, all while keeping everything traceable. Finally, it uses the best performing model to analyze new tickets and make predictions and then store them safely in the Lakehouse. Let's see how the output looks in the Lakehouse once the pipeline has finished processing. As you can see, the pipeline has now successfully executed. So now let's go back to our Lakehouse and look at the file in which the output has been stored. So as you can see, the output predictions are stored as a table within the Lakehouse, and if you click on this file, it will then show you the predictions made. If you scroll to the right here, you can see that the predicted urgency is added as an extra column to the dataset itself. So this is how the pipeline executes and provides an output within the Lakehouse itself. As an added bonus, once the pipeline finishes executing, it also sends an email notification that the pipeline has executed and tells you important data that has happened during the run. So let's go and look at this email notification. So as you can see here, I have received an email saying that the machine learning pipeline has completed successfully, and the details are as below. It will now show you the task type, the model that was used, and a score of all the models that were evaluated. The best part about this pipeline is that it isn't just for ticket urgency. You can throw it at any standard classification dataset, even without text or even a regression dataset, and it'll handle it no issues. It automatically picks up the right models, runs the training, and gives you predictions. Basically, it's a one-step solution for all your supervised learning tasks. If you would like to explore how this approach can work for your organization, we at Accrevent would love to collaborate.